Hello everyone. With PowerProtect Data Manager 20.2, we have introduced Granular SQL multi-database restore with copy selection and timestamp-based recovery. This enhancement enables users to select specific backup copies per database, including full, differential, and log backups. Perform precise point-in-time restores using timestamp-based selection. Achieve greater flexibility, control, and accuracy during recovery operations. Together, these capabilities simplify restores while allowing more targeted recovery aligned to business needs. Let's now take a look at this in action. So this is my data manager version 20.1. So I have already backed up the SQL databases. On the restore operation, so I'm selecting both the database instance assets, click on restore. So by default, the restore operation uses the latest copy. And this is my data manager version 20.2. So I've already backed up the SQL databases. So if I go to the restore operations, so select both the assets and click on restore. So you can see that we have the option to select the copies. So by default, it will use the most recent copy. And for particular instance, if you wanted to change a copy, you can select the asset and you can click on change copy. Yeah, from this list, you can select the required version. And you can click on OK to select that particular copy. So for this instance, I have changed the copy version. And similarly, I'm changing the copy for the other instance as well. So now you can have the ability to select the version and click on next as usual to perform the restore. And then we also have the other option. So you can select the copies from an earlier point in time using the time stamps. So I'm just selecting the date, the time. So I've done the backups like 8:37 a.m. I'm selecting that particular time and the storage system. Click on apply. So below we can see the asset backup copies that match the selection criteria. We can also choose a different copy. So to choose a different copy, select the asset and click on change copy. So likewise, you can select the backup copy version and click on next as usual to proceed with the restore operations. For more details on this topic, refer PowerProtect Data Manager for SQL Administration Guide. Thanks for watching.